Hey you. Yeah, you. Have you ever felt so great for no freaking reason? Have you ever danced on Wednesday morning in your kitchen with your favorite pajamas on? And you have not even washed your face away, the sleepy face away? And your kids, your family members, your friends loves you just for who you are? Yes, it sounds amazing. And I know there are so many issues we've got to deal with, so many hard situations in our lives. I understand. I've been there. But the more we choose responsibility in our lives, the more power we will exercise over our lives. So accepting responsibility for our lives is the first step. And I'm not asking you to be better, happier, crazier. I'm just asking you to be yourself. If it feels the best to be quiet, be that person. If it feels the best for you to be crazy, be that person. I'm just asking you to be yourself. And I understand there are so many situations in our lives where we sort of want to fit somewhere. And our real, true self doesn't fit in there, and actually we just change to fit somewhere. But this is not the way. I think the way is to show your real you. And also, it's very important, from my experience, I think it's very important that there is great to feel that safe place to be yourself without any judgment.